students, let's light up our minds like we're lighting a bulb in today's lesson. On this topic titled Lighting Up the Water.
Okay, so before we start our lesson, let me introduce ourselves first. I'm Teacher
And
Lian.
I'm Teacher Luke.
Okay, so let's begin with our topic for today.
Yes.
So class, do you know that you can light up a bulb by just using a 5 materials? So now we're going to introduce to you the 5 materials. So Teacher Luke, could you please show them the 5 materials we need as I name it one by one. So first, what do we need?
Salt water.
We need a salt water.
1 glass of salt
Yeah,
water.
we need one glass of salt water. We can just gonna put it here in our clear glass. Then Teacher Luke, what's next?
So we need a bulb.
Okay.
1 bulb.
Then after that, we need a 2 piece of blade. So then we need a wire, which is the negative one and the positive one. And the last
Is
material we need is
receptacle.
So that's all the 5 materials we need in our experiment. So today we're gonna show you the procedure on how we can light our bulb. So the first step is we need a salt water. So if malayo kayo sa dagat or if kung malayo ka sa dagat, you can still have a salt water, but just mixing a tablespoon of salt water into a water and stir it thoroughly until the salt is dissolved. So our first step is we need a salt water. So the purpose of this salt water is to increase the conductivity and it provides free ions. So the second step is we need to attach the positive and negative wire in our receptacle. Okay, to them.
This one is positive, this one is negative. So kahit magkabaligtaran po, is wala pong problema.
Go!
So, yan po. Pagkatapos po na ilagay ang ating negative wire and positive wire sa ating receptacle, ang next step is lalagay na po natin yung blade sa bawat isang wire. So, meron po tayo dalawang blade dito na kailangan po sa isang negative at sa isang positive wire.
After that, we need to put our bulb in our receptacle. After putting the bulb in our receptacle, we're going to dip our wire with blade in our salt water. Did you know?
One
Can you do
by
it?
one.
So here is the result of our experiment, and just easy ways you can have a light in your home.
Discussion. So, paano nga ba, ang tanong, paano nga ba napapailaw ng isang basong tubig ng dagat ang ganitong bumbilya? So, ganito po ang process. Electrochemical reaction. So, the salt water acts as an electrolyte, allowing ions to move between the electrodes when two different metals or even the same metal under certain conditions are used. A small voltage is generated due to the chemical reaction at the electrodes. So, yung salt water po ay nagsisilbing electrolytes na nagiging dahilan upang pailawin ang bumbilya. Ang tanong, gaano ba katagal bago mamatay o humina ang liwanag o ilaw ng bumbilyang ito? So, ang sagot po ay may current limitation po siya. The amount of current generated is usually very small because salt water is not a very strong electrolyte and the setup lacks an external power source or highly reactive materials. So, yun. Ang tanong po ay uulitin ko po, ang tanong po ay, gaano ba katagal? So, since na yung water ay hindi masyadong since yung salt water is not very high conductor, so very low amount lang po yung ilaw na may bibigay niya. Kumbaga, hindi po siya pang matagalan dahil ang salt water ay hindi gaanong kataas na maging electrolytes sa bumbilyang ito. So, ito po. Ano ba yung sa next is ano ba sa tanong? Ano ba, Teacher Luke, ano ba yung kahalagahan ng blade na ito? So, ang tanong po, ang sagot po ay
So, Teacher Luke, ano gagawa ng blade at bakit natin kailangan ng gumamit ng blade sa eksperimentong iyan?
ang sagot po ay ang blade, since na ang blade ay yari sa metal, siya ay nagre-react sa salt water. Example lang iron na may kalawang, kaya siya nagre-react sa salt water. Na nagiging dahilan na magkaroon ng current upang paliwanagin at pailawin ang bumbilyang ito. Ito po ang kahalagahan ng blade na ito. Yun po, ganun po kasimple ang aming demonstration ngayong hapon. Kumbaga, sa tahanan po natin ay magagamit po siya, halimbawa kung wala pong ilaw, pero ulitin ko po, hindi siya tatagal ng araw o ilang gabi or ganito. Dahil, ulitin ko po, dahil ang dagat, ang salt water, ay limitado lamang po ang current na kayang ibigay upang pailawin ang bumbalyang ito. Yun lamang po ang aming gustong i-share ngayong hapon. Once again, I am Teacher Luke.
And I'm Teacher Lian, and thank you guys for listening. Bye!